Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Purairia Air Purifier. Why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. Powerful 2x air inlet for large rooms. Our air purifier features a double-sided air inlet design, a feature that makes it unique. With air intake on both sides, the enhanced airflow allows our purifier to cover large areas with ease. Whether it's a spacious living room, a large bedroom, or an open office space, this air purifier can handle it with ease. It circulates the air faster, allowing the fresh air to reach every corner. Air quality display and smart auto mode. Our home air purifier is equipped with a PM2.5 sensor that monitors the air quality in real time and displays it to the display. In auto mode, it can adjust the fan speed according to the air quality. When the surrounding air becomes turbid, the indicator light will turn yellow or red, and the fan will automatically speed up. Smart control with app. You can set and adjust the true HEPA Air Purifier through the mobile application. The app provides a variety of settings, such as timer, 1 to 12 hours, fan speed, 3 speeds, mode selection, sleep, auto, manual mode, and you can monitor the air quality and filter life on your phone at any time. Quiet sleep mode, enjoy sweet dreams. With 22 decibels ultra-quiet sleep mode, our air purifier is the perfect sleeping companion. In sleep mode, the air purifier will run at a low speed and the display light will automatically turn off, leaving only a small icon of sleep mode. Whether you are a light sleeper who is easily disturbed by noise, or you value a quiet sleeping environment, the air purifier allows you to enjoy a quiet sleep and ensure fresh air all night long. 3 fan speeds and 12-hour timing. The home air purifier comes with 3 adjustable fan speeds, low, middle and high. You can choose the fan speed according to the air quality. The higher the wind speed, the faster the wind is sucked into the air purifier. In addition, this pet hair air purifier can be timed for 1 to 12 hours, and you can set the usage time according to your time needs, such as before going to bed or before going out. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.